Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I am just setting up my desk so I can, do a video. What kind of things do you guys want to see? I want to come back and, uh, you know, do some art videos, crochet videos maybe. I don't know, all kinds of stuff I've been doing. You guys know I've been fostering dogs and my art room has been the foster room. And I'm taking a break, just a small break, not long. And I wanted to like set up and that kind of stuff. So, if I still want to come in and record, I can. But let me know what you want to see. You know, do you want vlogs? Do you want, I don't care. Just let me know so we have an idea. And I hope all of you are doing well. Can't wait to get through this winter phase and go on to spring and summer. Uh, yeah, so I'm excited to come back and see you guys and see what's been going on with all of you guys. So let me know down below. Bye.